Okay, now I have the custom built Cosmos Audio Edition Briggs and Stratton engine sitting up on my test stand. You see I got the tachometer hooked up here. There's the tach wire. And then you can see the control cable's hooked up, or the throttle cable, as well as the fuel line. I have the fuel shut off, so I'll turn it on now. And starter cable's hooked up. I just have 8 gauge running to it. I mean, that's all it needs. And then I got the 1/0 running from the battery to it. That helps with the voltage drop. So that she'll fire it right up. And then here's the wiring harness. So I just made the plug, like you seen earlier. That plugs right into the harness for the engine. So now all you do is toggle switch on. It's the main switch. It turns on the fuel solenoid, as well as shows you the voltage. And then you just push to start. Push the stop button or the fuel. You can see she'll fire right back up. Kill it with the stop button. If you want to try to start it, if you want to test out your magneto and make sure everything works. Make sure your safety circuit's working. See, that excess power gives her juice. Watch that sucker move. Alright, there you have it. Custom built engine test stand, as well as the custom built Cosmos Audio Edition Briggs and Stratton.